Paano nga ba mag-avail ng house and lot sa pag-ibig? Kailangan member ka ng 24 months contribution at updated. O hindi pa updated, kailangan mo lang mag-update. Meron kang 2 valid IDs, proof of billing at proof of income with COAC or Certificate of Employment. Kung OFW, kailangan mo meron kang job contract with English translation. Kung business owner, kailangan may ITR at other pa documented income or proof of income. Ayan, ang reservation nito ay 7,000 pesos lang at ang monthly down payment ay 7,000 times 25 months. Meron ka ng 90 square meter lot area na bungalow type or single attached na adenine.